Yeah, hello everyone. I still am Setro Kwebla. Welcome to yet another wonderful video on Forex. Okay, so I'm still learning. Okay, and but I've understood what it takes to actually place trades. And thanks to FXTM, they have their own free signals that they give. It's up to you to now look at the entry point in the market and decide to place a trade. Okay. And like I said in my previous videos, if you miss a trade, if you miss an entry point, do not force it. Okay. Unless you've become an expert that you can read the market and decide to enter voluntarily without having to rely on any signal at all. So this here is FXTM sent account. So what this means is that this is for beginners. Okay, this is an account for beginners. So if you want to join Forex, you first of all have to start here for you to build not only to understand how to play signals, but also have to have the mindset to place trade. Okay, and also when you see your account showing you a total profit of negative 28,000 or 27,000, it takes somebody being an experienced or a mature trader to actually know that this is nothing to worry about. Let me explain. As you can see, these are the trades that I have so far that are open, and most of them, you know, are zero point zero 0.05 lots, and the rest are zero point zero 0.01 for different entry point with different take profit. Okay, all those I'll still explain when I start breaking down the forex in my other videos. Okay, but I just want to show you guys my live trade. So this is currently open and still trading. These are some of my closed trades. So I lost some trade, in the Euro GBP. So I set what is called a sell loss and a take profit. Now it got to the sell loss and automatically it just stopped there to prevent me from incurring further loss. So a sell loss is more like an automated button or automated action that you're giving the system that, hey, if this thing falls, if I'm experiencing loss and it falls to this point, just cut my loss and close the trade. Okay, that way it prevents you from further incurring, loss and depreciating your capital. All right. So I experienced this only for the Euro GBP. I have about one, two, three, four, five, six trades that I placed, with different take profit, all went to sell loss. So, but the rest, the Euro USD, we are all profitable. The Euro USD, we are all profitable. The USD Canada was also very profitable, as you can see. Okay, and this is gold. Okay, my most successful trade today, it has been the gold trade, gold USD trade, and you can see that's the most trade I've done today. I've done the trade over and over today, and I'm placing. This is the last trade. That is the current trade that is open is also gold. Okay, and I've been very profitable since my I started trading with more with gold. Okay, very profitable more with gold. So let me just explain what is happening in the trading chart. Okay, so let me explain all these lines that you're seeing here. I want to explain the chart right now, okay, because it takes an experienced person to experience the chart. But if I switch this to show me a wider view, you can see that this trend is experiencing a bear market. So it's been down on the downfall, it's been on the decline, okay, and even making some attempt to come back up, but it's still on the decline. As you can see the trend, the downward trend. So my position in this trade is to sell. Okay, so I set it such a way that I take profit when the price drops to a certain point. So in this case, my TP. So what I did was I took my position and you know, taking profit at 1,267 $0.13. Okay, and should in case the market decides to reverse and become a bull market, and it gets to 1,277.87, then the market, the system should automatically close the trade. And so far, I'm in negative 6,576. Okay, Nigerian cent. Remember, this is a beginner's account, so most of your trades are in smaller fractions of the naira. Okay, so that you get to understand what the market is. So as you can see, this is my TP line. Okay, then the light blue one is my entry point. So for me to make profit, these two lines, this buy and sell line, have to both come below my entry point for me to make any profit at all. Okay. Now, if the any of the lines touches the TP line, the market automatically closes, taking my profit automatically. Okay. Yes, if the green line, okay, hits the TP line, automatically I my profit will automatically close the trade and take the profit. Okay, but if it hits the SL line, which is above here, 1,277.87, okay, the market automatically closes the trade and takes my loss and protects me from taking further loss. So that is it about understanding this chart with the lines that you're seeing currently here. But I'm not perplexed, or I'm not scared, okay, because from the looking from the parameters, looks like it's still going to be a bear market. And let me say this, if you are new to this and a trade hasn't closed, let me explain it. If you're experiencing negative but the trade is still open, okay, it hasn't hit stop loss, okay, okay, it hasn't hit stop loss, okay, that's SL. TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. It hasn't hit stop loss. It hasn't hit TP, and you're not yet making profit. Do not close the trade. Okay? Because from one of my experience, I had a trade that was in negative, huge negative to some point of something thousand Nigerian cent. Okay? And over the weekend, it was like that. On Monday morning, it was a huge 1,000 plus Nigerian cent profit. Okay, I took the profit and made money on it. So when it comes to forex, it's more like once you read the signal and you enter at the right point. Okay, all you have to do is just allow things to play off. You've already set your stop loss to prevent you from further losing your trade, your capital, and you set your take profit. So whatever you do, just chill and monitor the market and just learn from the experience. Okay. So I'll be doing another video to show you guys what this trade finally came to at the end of the trade. Okay. So stay tuned for more enlightening information coming from someone who is starting his journey trading forex. Now, the reason I'm inspired to do this is because I know for a fact that a lot of these experienced guys charge humongous amount of money to train you, to give you a training, which you still have to go and practically do yourself and lose some of your shares before you actually become good. So, why pay that when you can leverage the free signals that FXTM is giving and utilize their outlook and the analysis to place your trade? It doesn't take much. So if you're interested in learning about this, and how you can start making some good money from this. What I will tell you is, first of all, sign up to FXTM. There's a link below. Hey, contact me. I will give you the link. You sign up. I'll add you to my WhatsApp group, and I will guide you on how to make your first deposit and how to set up your account properly for it to be approved before you can start trading. Okay. Then we'll have to go through the whole drill together. With creating your Naira Center account, to placing your first trade. Okay, and probably sending some of the signals and explaining the signals before you go ahead and place the trade. Okay, but one thing you need to know is this: whatever it is you do, just know that it's quite risky. But hey, nothing in this life is not everything in this life is risk. But the thing there is all about calculated risk, and I'm going to help you guys as amateurs, as beginners, have the right mentality when it comes to trading forex. Okay, so till I see you guys next time, as your mom said, take care and bye for now.